Welcome friends, this is Netiquette Next. In the previous video, I have shown you the history of Chat GPT and how to sign it up and how to make an account with it. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it properly for the different purposes. I'm gonna open it here. I already have opened it with my account. I have logged in it. For example, I'm gonna write it here. Tell me about the most beautiful places in the world. I'm asking it to generate a response. I have entered it, and now Chat GPT is generating a response for me. It is asking, there are countless beautiful places in the world, each with its unique charm and allure. Here are some of the most stunning destinations, and it has described me the most fascinating and glorious and marvelous places in the world. I can stop the generation of its response from the previous option. It was here to stop the response. Now it is asking me to regenerate it. If I don't like the response of Chat GPT, I can also regenerate the response like this. It is regenerating the same response with different keywords. I can ask it to stop generating if I don't like it. Now it is asking me to have a feedback, to give a response to them. They are asking, was this response better or worse than before? If I like it, I can choose better. If I don't like it, I can choose worse. And if I assume that this is the same as before, so I can choose this one, which is the same. Now I'm gonna show you what is it. I can choose the wholly solely new page, a new chat, and I can ask it again to have new conversation. For example, I'm asking it to tell me about 10 big animals. It is responding me as a new chat. Now we are talking about the new chat. I am asking it to stop generating. Right now I'm showing it. This one was the previous beautiful world wonders. It was my previous chat with Chat GPT. So it is showing here. I can edit it from here, share it from this point, and I also can delete it from here. And this icon here is the hide sidebar. If I click on it, it has hide, but if I click it, it has reappeared again. It also has a lot of other things. For example, the upgrade to plus. This is new feature. If I want to upgrade it, I will click it to new. And here is my identity, as I am working on it with this name, so it is my identity. In the next video, I will show you how to use different extensions to have better and beneficial result, and how to use it properly. And that's for now. I hope you find it interesting. Thank you and good luck.